Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and then use your credentials to log in if you haven't done so already. Now, after you log into your account, you will be taken into the main menu page, from which, if you wish to block anyone that is within your friend list, you can tap on the friends icon at the top right corner. From the friends page, you will be able to see various friends that you have added onto your game. Now, if you wish to block any user, you can simply tap on their username and you will be taken into their profile. Now, from their profile page, if you wish to block them, then you can tap on the blacklist option. Once you tap on blacklist, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Just tap on the OK option and this user will immediately be blocked from your account. Now, if you wish to unblock this user, you can go back to the friend list and you can tap on blacklist, and from this page you can unblock this user by tapping on unblock. And there you have it. That is how you can block any user on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.